Ever feel like choosing a business bank account is a choice between a brick phone and a sleek new app? I'm talking about the age-old dilemma of picking a bank that actually works for your business. And today, we're putting two major online contenders head-to-head, Relay and Chime Business. Wait, stop right there. Before we get into the breakdown, there's a crucial point. Chime does not offer a business account. Chime is an excellent option for personal banking, known for its fee-free features and user-friendly app, but it is purely for personal finances. So, if you're a business owner, a freelancer, or a sole proprietor, you already know the answer to this versus question. Relay is your only real option here. But let's not end the video there. Instead of a head-to-head, let's look at why Relay is the choice for your business and what features make it stand out against other digital business banking alternatives. Relay is specifically designed for small and medium-sized businesses, and it is a complete cash flow management tool, not just a place to hold your money. The feature that truly sets Relay apart is its multiple accounts. With their free base plan, you can open up to 20 separate checking accounts under one business profile. If you use a system like Profit First for budgeting, this is a game changer. You can have separate accounts for taxes, payroll, operating expenses, and profit, all without juggling multiple banks. Beyond that, Relay also excels at team management. Need to give your marketing manager a card for ads, or your project lead a budget for supplies? You can issue up to 50 virtual or physical Visa debit cards and set custom spending limits on each one. This gives you granular control over team spending and simplifies expense tracking. Relay also integrates seamlessly with accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero, which is a massive time saver for bookkeeping. And like many of its online peers, it has no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance requirements. Now, while Chime is not a business bank, its popularity comes from its personal banking approach, mobile first, few fees, and easy to use. Relay brings that same modern, digital-first experience to the business world. For a small business, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, separating your business money from your personal money is non-negotiable for taxes and liability. Since Chime is personal only, Relay's business-specific features and robust organizational tools make it the clear winner by default, and a top-tier choice overall in the modern business banking landscape. So, when you're looking to simplify your cash flow, gain control over your spending, and stop treating your personal checking account like your business's general ledger, Relay is the dedicated, feature-rich platform you should be looking at. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.